What happens when merit dies and mediocrity takes over? When leaders stop rewarding excellence and start protecting the system that's failing us? This isn't just a story about appointments. It's a brutal exposé by none other than the Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea. And he didn't hold back. Prime Minister James Marape has openly criticized the very institutions responsible for managing the country's public service. He declared that merit-based appointments have been replaced by what he called rubbish, targeting the Public Service Commission and the Personnel Management Department. This followed the reshuffle of Dr. Osborne Liko from his role as Health Secretary, not due to poor performance but to preserve his expertise. Marape emphasized the need to pay medical professionals more than administrators and urgently called for vacancies in the health department to be filled. This isn't just about reshuffling one man. This is about an entire system crumbling under political favoritism and administrative complacency. The Prime Minister's words, "Enough of the rubbish," point to a much deeper illness: appointments based on connections over competence. Qualified individuals being pushed aside to protect internal power dynamics. Frontline health workers undervalued, while bureaucrats rake in high salaries. By admitting these flaws publicly, Marape has indirectly acknowledged that Papua New Guinea's public service system is broken, and it's been broken for a while, and yet this same system is responsible for hiring those meant to save lives, build schools, manage infrastructure, and run essential services. When it fails, the entire country suffers. How long have we allowed rubbish to replace merit? How many talented professionals have been overlooked or driven out? What would happen if we truly paid frontline workers what they're worth? Are we bold enough to demand a system that values excellence over politics? Let us know your thoughts. In the comments, your voice matters. Prime Minister Marape's honesty is rare, but honesty without action is meaningless. Reshuffling one official doesn't fix a broken system. It's a step, and yes, but it's not the destination. This is where we come in. If we keep quiet while incompetence rises and talent is buried, we become part of the problem. Whether you're a student, a public servant, or just a citizen, now is the time to raise your expectations and demand reform. Papua New Guinea is full of brilliance. There are doctors saving lives on minimal pay, teachers showing up without resources, and young graduates ready to lead with integrity. They don't need favors, they need fairness, they don't need handouts. They need opportunity. Don't let a broken system define your future. Rise above it. Prepare. Learn. Position yourself for when the tide changes, because it will. And when it does, we will need people like you, principled, prepared, and purposeful, to rebuild what's been broken. Thank you for joining us today. At Kepcha Motivation, we believe in transforming everyday moments into purposeful narratives to elevate your perspective. If you found value in this video, please like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content.